Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship Amazon products on Shopify. I already made multiple videos specifically about how you can dropship Amazon products on Shopify, but today I'm going to be showing you guys a new way on how you can dropship Amazon products on Shopify. Okay, let's get started right now. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Now I'm going to select this Shopify store. Okay guys, so what you guys need after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now what you guys need to do, you want to download an app that will help you connect Amazon to Shopify so that you can start importing products and you can start doing drop shipping. Okay, so as you can see in the top here, you want to search for an app. It's called Sprada. Okay, that's the name of the app. It's called Sprada. Okay guys, as you can see, it says here Amazon Importer Sprada app. As you can see here guys, it says here dropship Amazon products or earn affiliate commissions. Now the best thing about this app is you can dropship Amazon products, or you can promote Amazon products on your Shopify store, and if someone clicks on view on Amazon inside your Shopify store and they complete the purchase inside the Amazon, like on the Amazon product page, you are going to earn a commission. I'm going to be explaining this. I'm going to explain this how it works in a few seconds. Okay, I'm going to explain everything in a few seconds how this whole thing works. Now first you want to click on Amazon Importer. As you can see, Sprada app, you want to click on install app. Okay, that's the first step. So you guys need to download okay, after guys after you click on install, make sure you click install again, because I already installed this. That's why it says here open app. Okay, for you it will say install. Click again on install. After that it will take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings in the top here. You want to click on settings, and here it will ask you guys for affiliate or associate ID. As you can see, it says here affiliate or associate ID. Now of course you have to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program in case you want to earn affiliate commissions. Okay, now this is very important. Like creating or signing up for Amazon affiliate program is very easy. It's not going to take you any time. Just open a new tab and search for Amazon associates. Okay, and here you want to click on amazon.com associates or Amazon associates or affiliate program amazon.com, as you can see here, and then create an account there. Okay, by the way, it will ask you guys to provide a website so that you can see where you are going to promote your own products. You don't need to enter your real website. You just need to enter a random URL. It could be a Facebook page, it could be a YouTube channel. That's the trick I used to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now this is very important. Like I said, you need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. After that, this is how it's going to look after you sign up. Now this is the store ID in the top here. As you can see, this is the store ID in the top right. You want to copy this store ID and come back to this page, and you want to paste the associate ID or affiliate ID, as you can see here. Now after that, you want to click on save. Now every product you import now to your Shopify store, it's going to be trackable. Okay, you are going to earn a commission, or you are going to be able to dropship Amazon products. Now I'm going to explain this in a few seconds how it works. Okay, now after you add here your affiliate or associate ID, what you guys need to do next is very simple. Now you want to click on home. Okay, you want to click on home. Okay, and you want to go to Amazon. Okay, you want to open Amazon and find any products. Okay, it could be any product. For example, let's say I want to import this product to my Shopify store, or I want to dropship this product on my Shopify store. You want to just click on, you just need to copy the URL, okay, the URL of the product, and then go back, and then you want to paste the URL here, okay, and then click on add product. As you can see here guys, it says here Amazon and Shopify. Now what you are going to do, or what they are going to do, they are importing the product that I showed you to Shopify, as you can see here. Now I am able to dropship Amazon products. As you can see, it says here product added successfully. Now you can view this product. If you click on view, you will be able to view this product on Shopify. As you can see, this is the product and it's imported successfully to our Shopify store. Now, as you can see, if someone buys this product from us, what we are going to do, we are going to go to Amazon and purchase that exact item and send it directly to, instead of putting your address, you want to put the address of the customer. Now, the second way to earn affiliate commission is if it says something like view on Amazon here, okay? If it says the view on Amazon, of course, you can change that on the settings. If you click, for example, on settings here, you click on default values or button, you want to click on button, and here, as you can see, it says here view on Amazon. Now you can like enter a text, it will be displayed on the Amazon link button. As you can see, it says here a button text. You wanna, if you put here, for example, view on Amazon, people will not be able to buy directly from you on Shopify. You can only see here, instead of seeing here buy it now, they will see their view on Amazon. Okay, and if they click on view on Amazon, the product, they will be taken, or they will be redirected to the product page on Amazon. Okay, and then after you complete the purchase, you are going to earn a 10% commission depending on the product. Okay, now if you go to Amazon, you will see your earnings here. After you search for Amazon Associates, you will be able to see the earnings that you are making, like your sale commissions you are earning. Okay, so that's exactly how you can dropship Amazon products on Shopify. If this video guys helped you, drop a like, and if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few hours. See you guys in the next one.